I'm Cynthia. I am the product lead at Absy, and I'm here to share some awesome work that we've been doing to make everyone's life easy. A lot of us know that to generate an application, it is very expensive. Not only that it's expensive, but it's also time consuming. And not everyone, can go through and even understand the technical background of it. So we have solved that problem for you, and we have generated a system where you can just basically come into our system and speak to it in simple, plain English text, and it will understand what you're saying and it will spit out an application very quickly. I am about to show you and do a live demo of an application that I will generate a social style of app, which will be generated all under 10 minutes. So bear with me. I will be also running a timer so you guys can see. Um, I'll be sharing my screen. Just wait and see here. Uh, so you can see I have come to Gamma. I have already logged into it's you're logged in the system, and I'm gonna start the timer so you guys can watch with me that it will take like 10 minutes to build a simple social media app for you. So let's start the timer. Um, Welcome to Gamma. You will come in, you will speak to Gamma. So let's click on the microphone. I want an application where I can chat with friends and send friend requests and also share images and talk to people in my community. Right now, this is initializing based on, again, my simple English text that I have talked to Gamma using the microphone. It will based on whatever comment you or whatever sentence you come in and you speak. It will initialize and it will spit out screens per your comment, per your sentence that you have try to have a conversation with Gamma. So um, as you can see, it has already generated few screens for us. This is on the left side. It just getting you started. So we'll click on next. This next pop up is supposed to help you understand what each of these screens will look like. So I've already done this a couple times, so I don't need it. So I'm going to skip the instruction for right now so we can go ahead and start building the application. You could see that we have generated about 39 screens, and you could see that we have profile, we have stories, we have live stream, we have reels, etc. You can also deselect any of this. So I'm going to deselect reel and then move forward with my application. I'm also going to deselect two factor because I think my application is very simple. It doesn't need to be complicated. So I've deselected two screens to show you guys how you can deselect any screens. Next thing is you pick your theme. So you have simple, modern, mystery, friendly. I'm going to go with modern because why not? We're living in this modern era, so let's just pick modern. And I also like the colors in modern. So you can pick whatever you like. Based on my selection, it is now again going and changing 37 screens that we have for this application. So it will update every single screens, and you will see it being updated. So next thing, very simple, it's next call to action. Also have color palettes. You can change it. You can change the primary color, secondary, background. I'm just going to change the primary, and I love purplish colors, so I picked that. So let's go and apply it. So once you apply it, again, it will apply to the entire application. So which does take a little slightly, a few seconds here and there, because again, it's updating every single screens based on your selection. So all 37 screens. It's gonna update it and it will change based on the color I picked. So I picked this color, so I picked it, it changed it. Let's go to next. This is just asking if I want header and tabs. I want both. So I'm gonna select both. This next screen is which icons I would like. You can change any of these icons to whatever you prefer in the targeted screen. I'm just gonna keep it as it is because it's a social and it already selected for me. So I don't need to go and over engineer this to complicate things more. So the next screens is going to be application image. So we have a manual option. We also have AI generated option. If you like AI generated, select that. We have some beautiful images, but I personally I'm gonna go with manual because I would like Absy's logo to be visible in my app. So I have selected Absy. Now this is just asking you the name. So I'm gonna pick something very simple. You can speak to it. I typed, but we have a microphone here. You can speak to it. If the app name is unique, it will allow you to go through it. If it's not, then it's gonna ask you to pick something else. We have already picked a logo. You can also tap on the flash icon to generate something AI. Since we've already picked it, we're gonna go with that. These are your onboarding screen. Again, you can change this to whatever logo, your company logo or anything else you like. You can add a title and description. Welcome to my world. We'll apply it. You have three screens here. I selected all. You can also delete them if you like. This is your manual account creation, authentication, and then where you would like to navigate. You have Google and Apple option. You can select or deselect them, up to you. I just kept everything. The next one is profile. So I'm going to do bio, social, and post as well. You also have message and call option. I just kept it simple. And then profile update, of course, you should be able to update anything in the profile. So we'll keep everything. We also added a gender option. We could take that off if you like. It really depends what you're trying to do. Next thing is a profile, create post. And I just wanted simple. So I kept a description, hashtag and media. No category for right now, but if you want, you can add categories as well. Next thing is post list. I want to be able to see user profile and social action. So we'll keep everything. And then obviously what kind of action you like. I like memes, I like sharing them. So I'm going to keep all. So we'll just keep it all for now. Next one is your settings. You have your account saved, terms and condition. You can remove any of this. You can also target these to any other pages. I'm going to keep it. This last one is your social accounts. If you want to add other social account, I'm just going to assume that this app is going to do really well and I don't need to introduce any other social within my application because I don't want my users to leave my app and go somewhere else. So I left it that. This is support. So support, you can again, I'm gonna use my Absy logo. You can use whatever you like, and this is just saying go back to wherever the user came from. But you can change this target to something else too. Notification is simple as that. You have follow if you want. If you don't want to get notified by follow, you have like comments. I'm gonna keep everything because I like to see people commenting and interacting with my content. So I just kept all. Next one is obviously terms and condition. And we also have option to like change something, add more screens. If you want to change like I don't know, if you want to change like anything within the screen, we also have option to do that. You can change the margin, you can change the text and color. You can do all of that. I'm gonna keep it simple and we're just gonna say I am done. Let's publish that. You can also speak using microphone. I just typed it because I just like typing. You have the permanent pay plan. You also have a trial. So we're going to do a permanent, and let's go and check out. You will be asked, this is our company terms and conditions. You agree, and then you enter your information, and that's pretty much it. And it just should take a few minutes, and as you could see on the left, you will see it will take up to 30 minutes. You will receive an email in your inbox based on whichever account you signed in, and that's all. You have just completed generating an application, and all you have to do, just wait about 30 minutes, or sometimes it takes a little bit more, 30 to an hour. You will be receiving a iOS link which you can download on your phone, and also an Android link which also you can download and start using this application, share with your friends, and do whatever you like with your application. And that's it. It took less than 10 minutes, and you have your app. You have customized it, you have designed it, you have everything that you need. So that was my demo for today. Thank you for listening to me.